Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to disable message preview in AOL. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like mail, home, receipts and subscriptions. Stay on mail, then go to top left corner and tap on the AOL mail icon. Now from there, navigate your way to settings and privacy, where you can see categories like account and security, customizer, inbox and general. Well, you can see options like inbox style, customize filter, themes, swipe actions, check boxes, reply recommendations, stars, etc. And right below there's message preview. Tap on it. Now from there, you're gonna have to select no preview option and you'll successfully disable message preview in AOL app. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.